Hello everyone! Welcome back to Technic Floors Learning. This video is all about getting people to like and engage with your content. So if you're interested, keep on watching. Building a strong engagement rate on TikTok will help you grow your account and secure more brand collaboration. High engagement is your fast track to the For You page and is one of the main metrics brands consider when looking for creators to collab with. They want to know your content will engage high volumes of customers and drive them to action. So, how do you build a strong engagement rate on TikTok? Just like any other social platform, community management is key. It helps to secure those likes, comments, shares, saves, views, and follows, and is the secret to increasing your engagement rate on TikTok. But what does this look like on the short-form video app? Here are some often overlooked but surefire ways to engage your community on the platform. Number 1. Using the Q&A feature. Released in March, the new Q&A feature lets you engage with your audience while creating highly relevant content that followers have asked for. The function, currently only available to users with the creator account, can be found on your profile under Bio. In there, you'll see questions from users, which can be liked by others, and a submission box that allows users to ask their questions. Once questions are posted, you'll be able to reply it with a video. Your audience could use this function to ask questions like, "Please give us your everyday makeup tutorial," or "Please share your story of becoming a content creator." Follow these steps to turn this function on. Step 1. Set yourself up as a creator account in your settings. Step 2. Once that's done, head back into your settings and click Creator. Step 3. Tap on the Q&A and click Turn on Q&A. And Step 4. Go through Steps 2 and 3 to turn the function off. Let your followers know when you have enabled this feature to encourage questions. Number 2. Audience interaction. First, use your insights to learn more about the people watching your content. Understand their age, gender, where they're from, and when they're most active. This will help you share the right content that you'll know they'll enjoy. You then want to interact with your audience. Engage with their content and like and share on their posts. Reply to your followers' comments and DMs, and follow accounts that you like and relate to. This will help your account become more noticeable within the community, and others will want to pay it back and interact with your account. Next, reply comments with the video. TikTok has a great feature that allows you to reply to a comment with a video, rather than just replying back in the comment section like you normally would. Use it to create more relevant and engaging content for your audience. Your community will appreciate that you personally interact with users, which can boost genuine followers. Try this feature. Step 1. Head into the comment section of one of your videos and click the comment you wish to reply to. Step 2. Tap the red video camera icon that pops up on the left. Step 3. TikTok will then take you straight to the screen to record or upload your reply. Step 4. Once you've made your video, you can move the comment and place it anywhere on the screen for viewers to gain more context about your video. Next, stitch and duet other TikToks. Two unique features which aren't available on other social media platforms and can be used to boost engagement are stitch and duet. You can stitch or duet someone else's video, and you can also have these functions turned on your own videos for others to stitch or duet. Stitching a video allows you to add a part of someone else's video to yours. You can trim the user's video to your desired length, and then film the rest with content you'd like to add to it. A great way to use this feature to build your engagement is to share a video asking a question to encourage people to stitch with. The duet function is similar in that it allows you to build on someone else's video, but the video you duet plays side by side next to yours. This feature is great for reaction videos, imitation videos, and skits. All great ways to interact with your audience and increase your engagement rate. Users even create chains of duets that more than two creators are part. The more this change grow, the more popular they become, and your contribution to the chain can be seen by a wider community. To stitch or duet a video, click the share button found under the comment button on a video. Then, either click duet or stitch, and TikTok will take you to the filming and editing page. If you want others to do the same to your videos, make sure you have Allow Duet and Allow Stitch turned on prior to posting. And there you have it. Great ways to get people to like and engage with your content. Have you tried TikTok? What features have you tried? Share it on the comments down below. And before this video ends, did you know that your business needs more high-quality traffic? Unlock a fresh and high-quality traffic source that 99% of your competition hasn't exploited. And that's by using VidScribe AI by Technic Force. Transcribe, translate, and redub your videos in local languages with VidScribe AI. It's the easiest organic boost you'll ever get this year, with 3 easy steps. 1. Feed it. Feed VidScribe AI videos from your YouTube or your PC. Step 2. Upload it. Upload your converted videos. And Step 3. Watch the traffic flow in from fresh sources. So, what are you waiting for? Try VidScribe now. Just go to vidscribe.in. And that is it for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.